Want to take secret photos with your iPhone without anyone noticing? In this video, we will show you some sneaky tips and tricks to capture the perfect shot without drawing attention to yourself. Open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap plus to create a new shortcut. Search Take Photo and click on it. Now tap on arrow and turn off Show Camera Preview. Now click on the search bar and type Save to Photos. Click on the same name. Now tap the arrow, then select Rename and rename it to Chrome or any app name. Again tap the arrow, select Add to Home Screen, choose your preferred color. Next tap on Add in the upper right corner of the screen. Each time you click the shortcut, a photo will be captured secretly without drawing any attention. The process is completely silent and unnoticeable to others. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.